In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to generate a movie script and storyboard. If you're interested in filmmaking or storytelling, Perplexity AI could become your new best friend. It allows you to create detailed movie scripts and captivating storyboards with minimal effort, simply by entering a prompt. Let's explore how you can harness this tool to bring your creative ideas to life. To get started with Perplexity AI, the first thing you need to do is head to their platform. If this is your first time visiting, you might be required to complete a basic registration process. Once you're set up, you're ready to dive in. Imagine a scenario or topic you're passionate about. This will be the foundation for the movie script and storyboard you're about to generate. Now enter your chosen topic into the prompt section. Essentially, you're giving Perplexity AI a basic idea or concept to work from. For example, you could type something like, create a movie script and storyboard about time travel adventures in futuristic New York. Be as creative and specific as you like. That level of detail will help Perplexity AI understand your vision better and produce content that's aligned with your expectations. Once you've inputted your prompt, initiate the generation process. This is where Perplexity AI flexes its capabilities, processing your request and beginning to craft your unique movie script and storyboard. Typically, this process will take around 9 minutes. During this brief wait, you can sit back and let the AI work its magic. It's quite fascinating to watch how a simple idea can morph into a tangible storyline, complete with visual planning elements. Now that the AI has had some time to generate your content, it's time to review what it's produced. You'll find that Perplexity AI not only provides you with a written script, but also a storyboard that helps visualize the scenes. Take a close look at the narrative structure. Does it align well with your original vision? Make any mental notes about potential adjustments you might want. This process isn't just about letting the AI do all the work. As the creator, it's your job to ensure that the story maintains your personal touch. Feel free to edit or modify the script as needed to refine the storyline or adjust dialogue to better fit the characters you envision. Similarly, review the storyboard to ensure it captures the visual essence of your story effectively. In conclusion, Perplexity AI offers a remarkable resource for anyone looking to jumpstart their creative projects in filmmaking. With just a simple prompt, you can generate a comprehensive movie script and storyboard ready for you to build upon. Whether you're an experienced filmmaker or just starting your storytelling journey, this tool can help streamline and inspire your creative process. Enjoy exploring your imagination and bringing your stories to life with Perplexity AI.